So what's the lesson in this? The lesson was we had a key level of support that we've been talking about for a week. This has been in here for a week. You can see it did the same thing down here at 422, and then it started bouncing inside of this range. Check this out. You guys see all this? So you had 1, 2, 3, 4 trading days. We've been talking about that same level, haven't we? So 4 days out of 5 last week, I kept telling you guys, if it cannot break that 421 and 420 level, it's just going to keep going to the upside because that is support. And I told you guys gold level at 420. This was the absolute buck stops here. It came down here, big bounce here. 421s were all in here. And of course, we got it again on Friday. Can everybody see that?